Hi guys, in this video I'll give you an honest review about the Vantage copy trading. Either it is legit or a scam or you're facing any kind of problem. So can you use this platform Vantage or not? So if we directly go to their website, they look clean. It looks like way more better. They have added all the proofs. Websites looks legit, and you can check that the contact information, their social media, all of the links are also attached. So it means that they are giving some kind of good support, or you can say the contact paging or contact support as well. So you can go through all the information. They have given the email address as well, so you can go through it if you want to start it. First of all, you must have the knowledge of copy trading. Basically Vantage is used for the copy trading. So before you go into the Vantage, you must know what is copy trading, how does it works, and what are the things that you can do. So there are different people, as you can see, 5,000% winning percentage. This answer is basically about the copy trading. So if you already know about the Vantage, so we can directly go to the Trustpilot, and as you can see, like they have a rating of 10,000 reviews and 4.5 rating. Now, honestly, like they have 10,000 reviews, that is a huge amount. They can be fake, not a big deal, but you can try that as well. But if you talk about the percentage that a lot of people are giving the signal which you can copy, that is something which I would say it cannot be 100% accurate. Like you can see, there are multiple positive reviews, nice platform, but too many failed operations that require claims to finally credit them. Vintage service not as satisfied, very bad service, Saturday Sunday withdrawal not complete. So there are like some minor problems or minor issues which you can go through, but make sure that it will only help you once you went into the platform, do some real experience and try it out. Make sure to go through their policies, or like the rules that they are giving you, as this can be the problem that they don't go through the rules, and then it creates problem for them. So make sure to go through all the information, and once you're done, after that you can just go into the Vantage and definitely do your trading. That is your choice. Go into it, work by your own, and that is of course your risk. So that is your choice. So that is all about Vantage. Vantage is not a doesn't look like a scam, but obviously trading is something different, and copy trading, you must know how does it work. So that is all about the Vantage. Should you do it or not, that depends completely on you.